Okay, so here's the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. I've just taken it out of the box. You can see that it's not powered on. And so I'm going to, first of all, begin by mounting the grip tripod, nice and easy. And now as I unfold the gimbal, it automatically powers on. Now, if it doesn't power on, then it may not be charged, and so just connect this cable, and it's just a USB at the other end. Now I have to attach the magnetic phone clamp to the center of the phone. It takes a bit of effort. It's got a very strong spring, which I suppose is what you want. Now you attach that to the magnetic dot on the gimbal itself. Wow, that's a strong magnet. And there it is, all set up. This is really good. Now this bit's really cool. If the gimbal is not powered on, then you can just power it on and it will start to stabilize. Watch this. How cool is that? And you can see those green lights there. Now there's also an extension rod. It takes a fair bit of muscle to pull it out. But there it is. And so now I've got my phone. I've got to turn on Bluetooth, but that's for another video. But you can see that I've got the phone there, and I can carry it like this. I can just put it down just like that, and it's nice and stable. And there is my phone set up on the gimbal. If you want to check out the DJI official videos, check the link in the description below. And if you want to check out the features, once again, check out the link. I've got an affiliate link in there in the description below of this video.